Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for clicking on today's video. We have some fun stuff going on. I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom and also decorating it for Christmas, which I'm super excited about. I'm also going to be sharing a fun Christmas DIY with you guys. Today's video is sponsored by Cricut and I'm really excited to show you what I created with my Cricut Joy machine. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right in.
Until they start to bleed, DJ take it away. Tonight is all for you and me, so baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin?
So the first thing I like to do before I decorate a space is go ahead and clean it, get it organized and put back together, so then I have that blank slate to go ahead and decorate and kind of get creative with.
Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you.
So today I have a new all-purpose cleaner I picked up. This one is actually new for me. So it's by Method and I think it's like a honey crisp apple. I love the smell. It's not too strong, but it has a pretty smell. And so it says it's all-purpose use. So I was using it throughout my room. So I wanted to give it a try in different areas and see if it really is an all-purpose product.
Spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? Don't be afraid, just let go of your fears, 'cause you know you can do it, baby. Dance them away.
Okay, so it does say on the Method all-purpose spray that you can use it on glass. So I tried to use it on my mirror and I don't really like the results. It left some smudges. So I just went in with my Jaws glass cleaner and went ahead and just got all of those spots up and made sure that it was nice and clean with no smudges or anything.
The doubt in you win. I know you feel it within, so go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night.
So before we get into the decorating, I wanted to share with you guys a Christmas DIY using this wood paddle. I did pick up the paddle from Michael's. I think it was about $7. These are the items that you'll need. So I am using my Cricut Joy today. This machine is super easy to use. You can do so many different projects. You can personalize things. You can make holiday cards. You can use it as like a label maker and then also fun decor around your house. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and paint the board. I am using red because I love that color during the holidays, and I will be putting 2 coats of paint on this board. So it actually dried super fast. This is an acrylic paint from Michael's. I think it was like $1.99.
Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name. I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be. I want you all too bad.
The next thing we're doing is going on the Cricut Design Space. This is a program that they have, and in the program they do offer a bunch of free SVGs. So they've already created these designs for you, and I'm just looking for the perfect one that says Merry Christmas, and I did find one. And then right in the design space is where you'll go ahead and edit the size and just figure out exactly the measurements on how you want your design. You do want to measure your paddleboard or your project first. So if you want to do any kind of specific measurements on the different words, you can actually ungroup it, and then you can get more creative and do more with it. So once you're done with it, you'll just go ahead and weed it, and then you make it. So I am not using a mat today. You don't have to, it's up to you. But with the Cricut Joy, I don't typically use a mat. So then you'll go ahead and choose the material you're using, and I'm using the white vinyl today for my project. And then you'll go ahead and load your vinyl into the Cricut Joy and continue, and it will start cutting. So now I'm going to go ahead and prepare my transfer tape. So I'm just going to measure it and cut out a big enough piece that I'll need to use. And then that transfer paper is going to go on our decal and allow us to transfer the decal onto the wood paddle easier. So now we're going to use our weeding tool and weed out all of the vinyl that we don't need. So now we're going to go ahead and put the transfer paper on top of our vinyl decal there, and we just got to be super careful. I also got this new tool that I'm going to be using that helps move the bubbles out and just kind of flattens it. You don't need that. This is the first time I'm using it, but I really do like it. But I was able to do this part a lot faster. All right, so I am all done with this project. I'm super happy with how it turned out. You never know with a DIY project. You just never know. I also went ahead and added some Mod Podge spray to it. If you guys want to check out the Cricut machine that I was using today, the Cricut Joy, I will have that link down below in the description box. It is super affordable and it's multi-use, so you can do a lot with it. I think it would be great as a gift or for yourself if you want to get yourself a gift. Thank you, Cricut, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So now we're going to go ahead and start decorating. We are starting by adding some garland to my bed. I am going to go ahead and remove those red bows. I'm not going to use them this year, but I just love adding some garland up there. It just gives me cozy vibes.
No, I don't need a reason to make time for date night with you. You and me alone, better than all the pictures on my phone. How could I not give in, baby? How could I ever say no? Too good to be true, but we're living our dream. Candlelight on the roof, but we're still in our jeans. It's you and I dancing the good life. Dancing inside of our room, but we're giving up sleep. Like Paris in June, but we're just on our street. It's you and I taking the view like
So you're going to see me playing around with the decor, you guys. It kind of takes me a minute to really figure out exactly how I want things. I kind of have a little bit of a plan when I go into this, but not so much. I have a few different options of what I want to do, and then I just figure out what feels the best when I'm actually decorating.
How could I not give in, baby? How could I ever say no? Too good to be true, but we're living our dream. Candlelight on the roof, but we're still in our jeans. It's you and I dancing the good life. Dancing inside of our room, but we're giving up sleep. Like Paris in June, but we're just on the street. It's you and I taking the view like
So I wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys a few different ways that you can style your throw blanket on your bed.
Dancing the good life. Dancing inside of our room. We're giving our sleep like Paris and June, but we're just on our street. It's you and I. Taking the feel like dancing the good life. Are we both insane? Dancing in the rain. Captions full of words that never really get explained. Maybe we're insane, but it's nothing I would change. Passing all these memories, but I'm still just stuck on you. You were my best friend, but 5 years down that road to find it was a dead end.
So I just ended up resorting back to how I usually style my throw blankets, and that's on the corner here so I can use my round tray. It just feels more fitting this way. Comment down below if you decorate your bedroom for Christmas.
You know I'm not okay, but you still hit me the same as back when we were something. It turned into love, and that wasn't love. I can't say I don't mind. 'Cause what you're asking for is cheap, and see the problem is that you don't know me. Why? You say that you feel me, but I think that you're just feeling lonely. I tried so hard, but you moved on, so baby, honestly.
So on my ladder here, I just like to add a few touches of Christmas.
And I hate that it's not how it was when we both ran away to the cave for a month. But just some things you can save when you want them. Left it behind, now you're looking for something. You told me it was over, but I saw your caller ID when you hit me on Wednesday. I don't need to hear what your friends say. You know I'm not okay, but you still hit me the same as back when we were something. It turned into love, and that wasn't love. I can't say I don't mind. 'Cause what you're asking for is cheap, and see the problem is that you don't know me. Why? You say that you feel me, but I think that you're just feeling lonely. I tried so hard, but you moved on, so baby, honestly. I can't say I don't mind. I can't say I don't mind. I can't say I don't mind. Can't say I don't mind.
All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to check out Cricut. I will have their link down below. I will meet all of you guys down in the comments. Bye, you guys.